Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to install Android Studio Flamingo on Windows 11. So let's get started. First, open your Chrome browser and search for Android Studio. Click on the first link that appears, which should take you to developerandroid.com. From here, click on the download button for the latest version of Android Studio. Scroll down, accept the terms and conditions, and click on Download Android Studio. The file size is about 1 GB. Once the download is complete, you can close your browser. Next, open your download folder. You'll find the Android Studio setup file there. Double-click it to begin the installation process. Click Next to proceed. You'll be asked to choose a location for the installation. The default location is fine, but if you prefer to install it on a different drive, click Browse, select your preferred location, create a new folder named Android Studio, and click OK. After selecting the location, click Next and then Install. The installation process will take a few minutes. Once it's done, click Next and then Finish to launch Android Studio. When Android Studio starts, choose Do Not Import Settings and click OK. Then click Next to begin the setup process. Opt for the standard installation and click Next. You'll see a list of components that need to be installed. Click Next and accept the terms by clicking on the checkboxes for the SDK preview and extra licenses. Click Finish to begin downloading the necessary files. Once everything is downloaded, click Finish. Android Studio is now successfully installed. You can create a new project by giving it a name, setting the location, and then launching it. Android Studio is now ready for use. You can start developing your projects. If this video helped you out, make sure to join the Show Me Software free newsletter. It's linked in the description below. In this newsletter, I will tell you about the latest software tools and AI that can make you more productive at work and also improve your personal life in many different ways. You can also reply to these emails with any technical support questions you might have, and I'll do my best to help you out for free. This newsletter is completely free and will always be free. So click the link in the description to sign up.